What's up, everybody? We're down here in Oceanside, California. We're visiting Melissa's cousin Shad and his wife Brittany and Aunt Sandy. We're sitting out on the beach right now. I just got out here. We got a little fog. And you want to get over here, Ryan? Come on. Cousin Ryan, she's being shy. Come here.
Come on, Ryan.
So Shad and Brittany's daughter is Ryan, also like me, and was born on the 4th of July, just like me, huh?
Yeah.
She's being shy. We'll get her later. Anyways, we're down here just visiting for a couple days and enjoying the beach, enjoying hanging out with family, and checking out some of the sights. So check it out. Kite? Hey, what are you doing? Are you flying a kite? Cameron. What are you doing? You flying a kite? Yeah? Well, we just got done eating at the Stratford here in Oceanside. Great little breakfast spot. I had the French toast, and their omelets look good, and their coffee cake is amazing. So make sure you do get the coffee cake because it's really good. I like sweet stuff for my breakfast, so I got the French toast. I always get extra powdered sugar. And of course, we had some yummy mimosas to top it all off. So if you're ever down here in Oceanside in the harbor here, make sure you eat at the Stratford. Really good breakfast place. All done in Oceanside. We were visiting Shad and Britt, and Ryan and Sandy. So all done, had a great weekend down here, played on the beach, hung out by the pool. Had a horrible hotel. The Quality Inn in Fallbrook is not good, so I do not recommend that one. It's probably one of the dirtiest, worst hotels I've ever stayed in, but we weren't there much other than to sleep, so hopefully we don't have COVID or some other disease from it. God, it was horrible. Anyways, we're on the road. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe.